What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna show you guys how to replace a transmission filter on your XJ6 Series 3. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack from the lower springs. Support the car with jack stands from the peg mounts. Or you can place the jack stands behind the mount. There's a Born-Warner Type 66 transmission that's fitted on the Series 1, 2, and 3 XJ6. Loosen the transmission dipstick tube nut. Use a 15/16 or an adjustable wrench. You finna need a lot of strength because it's on hella tight. Clean the threads from the nut from any dirt. So I'm just checking to see what size the bolts are, and look, they're loose. Okay, not all of them. Alright, that's three that are loose. Remove the 12 10mm transmission pan bolts. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the filter. Spray down the bolts with brake cleaner to remove any dirt from the threads. Use a plastic scraper to remove the old gasket. This might take a while. Use some towels or rags to wipe clean the transmission pan. I did use some brake cleaner, but there's some places that you can't reach to wipe clean, so be careful when spraying it. This magnet collects metal shavings from the transmission. Clean the metal magnet and don't forget to put it back inside of the pan. Man, I hate when this happens. The kit came with the wrong size gasket, and it's also missing the filter gasket. Wrong part inside the box.
So do you want me to bring it? Do you want me to bring everything?
Alright, if you could. Let me see that though. Hella different. Alright, got him. Alright, so we'll get back to the tutorial. Check this out. Check out the weather, bro. I was trying to do this early. Now I gotta finish it up in this hot weather. Apply some RTV silicone around the surface to keep the transmission gasket from moving when installing it. Oops. Oh, no. Snug tight the new filter and wipe clean the mating surface. Hand tying all the bolts.
Ah, fuck. Gasté my eye.
Using a crisscross pattern, torque down the bolts at 10 foot-pounds. I just hand tighten them snug. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to remove these plastic covers and clean them up. Refill the transmission fluid through the dipstick tube. Pour 4 quarts of Type F transmission fluid. Personally, I use Textron 3 and replace the last quart with Lucas additive. The brand is your preference. Start the Jag and check for leaks. Let the engine idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Then shift into every gear for about 5 seconds. And when you're done, lift the Jag from the center of the subframe. Place a 2x4 to protect the frame and remove the jack stands. With the car running, check the transmission fluid level. What's up you guys, so the Born-Warner Type 66 transmission, or should I say gearbox, is known to be a durable, long-lasting transmission in the UK. But over here in the US, it's built a bad reputation and is known to fail around 100,000 miles. And the reason is because the lack of maintenance. You should replace the filter and change the fluid every 15 to 30,000 miles. But people over here in the US, they expect the car to last them 300,000 miles, like a Toyota Camry. And if it doesn't, then it's considered an unreliable vehicle. They don't even keep up with maintenance on any of their cars. They're so lazy that they want the vehicle to drive itself. That's why they're purchasing Teslas. Look, keep up the maintenance with your vehicle so you get a better experience owning the car that you own. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.